Hello everyone, welcome to Growing with the Gold. This is Michael. I'm joined today by Sarah from the Guano Co. We're so excited to use these products. I've been using Guano Company products, Budswel, for well over 30 years. This is an heirloom, heritage, legacy product in the cannabis and vegetable growing world. So thanks for joining us to tell a little bit about the products.
Yeah, this product's been around for 45 plus years. Started in 1980. It's known for the flowering stage of life. It works great on anything from fruit trees, blueberries, tomatoes, lettuce, and anything in the fruiting stage of life. It's great. It's got the phosphorus and potassium, and it's known for the higher yields, the great flavor, and for terpene outputs if you're using it on things like lavender and jasmine.
And that's so awesome. This is a low NPK product. It's not really so much a fertilizer as food for the microbes and food for the soil, right?
Yeah, it's great for feeding the microbes that are already in the soil, so it's a great source of nutrients for everything that like Royal Gold creates in their soils.
Right, so we already put all this stuff in. We've got all this organic matter in the soil, and so now we're given all these microbes that are going to break that stuff apart, make it available, make it mobile, and put it into the forms that your plant can consume. So this is so awesome, Sarah. Thanks for joining us. We're going to mix up some of these products. We're going to feed it all across all of our R&D greenhouses, give it to some tomatoes, some celosia, all sorts of different plants. Come with us, folks. Check it out. So we're going to mix up 40 gallons of the Budswel fertilizer. How much does that work out to?
It works out to 2 cups or 1 to 2 cups per 5 gallons of water. We're doing 40 gallons, so it actually comes out to 1 whole gallon of Budswel. When you get down to the end of the bottle, it's a natural product, so there's going to be some sediment and some stuff that you can basically remix this stuff up. Close the cap on it, give it a good shake. Make sure you're getting every little bit of essence left in the Budswel. Looks like it's brand new all over again.
It works great with all different types of fertilizers. Because you're feeding the soil, it's going to work with whatever dry organic fertilizer, whatever soil company. It works great in Royal Gold soils or with the Crown Jewels fertilizers, but it doesn't matter what other products you're using. This is a great addition to your garden to get the best out of what you're already buying. So we got this all mixed up. We got a full gallon of the Budswel in our 40-gallon reservoir. We're going to start getting this on some of the plants. Can you tell us a little bit about how this is made? I know this is a craft product. It's not coming out of some giant factory. Give us a little insight.
Yeah, so we use 5 main ingredients: earthworm casting, bat guano, seabird guano, rock boss, and a special kelp from Iceland. And we basically we wet it down and in smaller batches, let it sit, mix it up, and then put it into our 275-gallon tote, where then we aerate it and let it sit some more and soak, and then we bottle it from there. So everything is very small batch, handcrafted, same recipe since the 80s.
So this is more like a hand batch crafted product. It's not like what you're getting out of some of these other companies that it's coming out of giant machines. These things are mixing everything and cranking it out automated. This is a craft batch product like you'd make at home. Hi, this is Michael and I'm with Ken from Budswel and Guano Co. And so we've gotten a bunch of the Budswel product mixed up and put onto all of our other crops. And what we want to do today is we're going to do a side-by-side on these pansies here. We're going to do half of the plants with the Guano Co. We're going to do half without and come back in a week and see if we can see the difference. So this is a 17-gallon tub. What are we going to do to mix this up?
We're going to follow the directions, and we're going to do the 2 cups per 5 gallons, which breaks down to 7 cups for a 17-gallon tub.
Perfect.
So what I like to do, it says shake well. I like to do like 1 cup, maybe even 2 cups in there. Just give me some room to shake up this Budswel to make sure that I mix in all the amendments and rock boss and get all that stuff going good so when we put it on the pansies.
Yeah, you can really see that sediment just free up off the bottom, get well incorporated, so we're going to have a little bit better concentration.
Alright, I'm at 2 cups. Oh wow, it's like, you can see all of that in there.
Yeah, it looks way more like chocolate milk now. Shake well,
3.
folks. We're gonna top this off with water. And one cool thing about these types of products is it's not a high NPK product. This isn't a fertilizer that's gonna burn your plants. If you splash a little extra in here, you don't have to worry about that. It's not a big deal. It's just more microbiology to kick that soil to life.
So I got the Budswel all mixed up. We're going to use this row with Budswel.
And we'll do this side with just water, and we'll be sure to check back in a week and show you what we get.
We're going to do one more side-by-side with the sunflowers here, and I just want to say thank you to Michael and Royal Gold for letting us do some side-by-sides and do our research and development here at the greenhouse.